My name's Jacob Wise. I'm a fourth-year PhD student working on distant superluminous supernovae and tidal disruption events. What we have discovered is a supernova that is over 10 billion light years away, with a galaxy in the foreground. That means that it has been gravitationally lensed. And so instead of seeing just one image of the supernova, the light has been bent so that we actually see 3 or even more images. What's significant about that is that the light from each image is getting to us with a different travel time. So with that, we can use that to measure quite accurately the expansion of the universe. At first, I didn't believe that what I was seeing was real. I thought my eyes were just blurry. I basically rubbed my eyes and then it was still there. And so then I thought, oh, this is probably just an artifact on the telescope. Maybe there was high winds and it wobbled. But then I took a look at the data that we got in 2 weeks previous, and it was still there. And so then that really convinced me this is actually real. And so I immediately notified my collaborators in Stockholm, and we put out the notice to the wider astronomical community that night that we had actually found this. This is the first time that this has been seen with what we call seeing limited ground-based observations. So that means that you don't need a space telescope or what we call adaptive optics to actually resolve the individual images. So this is almost like a proof of concept that this can be done with even mid-range telescopes. So the feeling of that was just sheer disbelief that I'd found this. This has only been seen less than 10 times in the entire history of astronomy. So since we found this, we've had every single major observatory in the entire Northern Hemisphere, and Hubble and James Webb looking at this thing, but the LT discovered it first. Just being involved in this sort of magnitude of a discovery is amazing, and it's really pushing me to stay in this field and get a postdoc. Kind of made me realize, like, this is why I'm doing this. Like, this is amazing. I still don't really believe it. It's taken a while to sink in.